Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining me. I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson. Hey, as we head into your Friday, there's going to be warmer weather, but a Clipper train is heading our way. We're going to take a look at that in your forecast, including when and where these three Clipper systems.
Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
I should say affect us. All right, we're going to start with a look at the European model. As we begin our trek through the next 24 hours, we're going to see a nice warming trend with south winds warming us up. Here we go. The warm air, these red lines start punching into the valley. There's a little passing Clipper system that will bring some snow chances to the Arrowhead of Minnesota on Friday as we go through the early hours of the day. After that, it's quiet on Saturday. Big time warm up here in the western half of the United States. Big time cool down in the New England states. But here comes the next system riding on that cold warm boundary. It's going to bring mixed precipitation. This is Saturday in the morning to northern Minnesota. So some freezing drizzle, some freezing rain, and also some areas of moderate to heavy snow moving through northeast Minnesota. Most of us, west winds equals warm, and that means we are good to go. Now let's check it out as we head into the next wave. That one zips out of here. Here comes the next one. Alberta Clipper coming straight out of Calgary. All right. And it's not flames, folks. That is some serious snow potential as it works its way through. Again, we're on the warm side of the system, so we'll begin with some rain showers anywhere in this area and some maybe mixed precipitation as we get toward the colder side of the system in northern Minnesota. That said, see the rain potential here? This is into your midday Sunday. Now, as we go through the day, this system's coming out of the Rockies. Here's a Clipper clipping out. So it's kind of this double-barreled thing I've been talking about. Watch this. The big storm system from the south, from the Rockies, will impact Minnesota, the northern part, with some very measurable snow, potentially. Northern Minnesota, the main impacts. Down south, rain, and there could be a mixed area with some freezing drizzle, some sleet. Here comes the Alberta Clipper on the backside. This is going to punch through with cold north winds. That's going to draw the snow in wraparound style. Not as heavy as this main event here, but still very wintry conditions into Monday. So again, a train of storm systems, three of them Clipper style systems that will work their way through. One kind of Colorado low or Wyoming low, hybrid if you will, that'll be moving through. Let's take a quick peek at how much snow we're talking about before we get to more facts and fun and the details. Again, don't pay too much particular attention to how much snow numbers that you see here, but let's go ahead and zoom into our area. And okay, here we go. Now, as we go through the weekend, very quiet, very warm, Arrowhead of Minnesota getting some snow. Then as we head into your Saturday, Sunday, here we go. The main system coming out of Colorado and the Clipper up north means northern Minnesota sees most of the precipitation as far as snow is concerned. Rain chances here Sunday in the south, as we showed you. Then Shazam, wraparound snow will work its way through as we head into Tuesday. Notice the amounts here are over 6 inches for many. That's all I want to say right now. Potential for significant snow. Northern Minnesota, say north of Highway 200, and in northeast and north central North Dakota as well, we could see wraparound snow that's a few inches. That's all I want to say at this time as far as the specifics on that. Hey, did you catch tonight's weather, kid? I got to share just a little clip. Stick with me. We'll have your forecast details on the 7-day and what you can expect first thing on your Friday morning right after this little clip from my weather kid tonight.
Hello, what is your name, young man?
Corbin?
You know, I really need some help. Have you ever done weather casting before?
No.
I'm a meteorologist. I could sure use your help. Do you want to help me out here?
Sure.
Give me 5.
And you can see the whole video on hutchesweather.com. Click on the Weather Kid button. You'll see all of the weather kids there. Corbin doing an outstanding job. Tomorrow morning, we're warming from near 10 tonight to 19 degrees in the morning, 20s for many. It looks like a beautiful day out there. We'll have a mix of clouds over the area still. The coolest weather will be in our central Minnesota counties, some single digits and teens out there as temperatures will be steady to slowly falling. Then as we head into your afternoon, here's what you need to know. WARM, 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 warm out in the, Black Hills, and that warm air on south and west winds will spread its way eastward. We're talking mid-20s to near 30 degrees in southeast North Dakota, Minot 35 degrees, Williston 35 degrees. How about Bemidji? 23 out there. The warming trend will hit you, but that's cold enough for some surface showers of snow into the Arrowhead of Minnesota. Again, that's Friday as we go through. Sunset in Fargo above Hutch's head here. Let me know if you like the addition of that. I think that's pertinent information as we head through. Now we'll look at your 7-day planner. Warming temperatures into Friday morning, 28 is great. After that, we warm into the 30s for Saturday and Sunday, and that means questionable ice conditions. Please, please, please double, triple, quadruple check what you're getting into when it comes to ice fishing this winter. And then as we head through the Sunday time period, that's when that Colorado low style system merges with an Alberta Clipper number 1 and 2, working their way through as we go through the time frame as well. And that means falling temperatures beginning on Monday morning and continuing into the middle of the week. So I think our impacts here in the Red River Valley will be felt Monday and into Tuesday for snow. But up north, we'll have a series of systems impacting your area. 3 below, back to some cold ice making weather as we head into the middle of next week. I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson. Remember, you can get the weather anytime, road conditions anytime, anywhere. Please bookmark hutchesweather.com as your one source stop shopping for weather information. Remember my sponsors that you see there on the website, and know that they help make hutchesweather.com possible. Have a wonderful night, and we'll check back in again real soon.